Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Revit step by step. Revit is Autodesk's Building Information Modeling, or BIM, software that architects, engineers, and construction professionals use to design, document, and manage building projects. Whether you're creating floor plans or three-dimensional models, Revit provides powerful tools for every stage of the design process. So let's get started. First, launch Revit on your computer and sign in with your Autodesk account if prompted. On the home screen, click New to create a new project, then choose the appropriate project template for your architectural, structural, or mechanical design. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see the ribbon at the top, the Properties panel on the left, the Project Browser, and the main drawing area in the center. These panels help you navigate views, edit elements, and manage your project efficiently. Now begin creating your model by adding basic building elements such as levels, grids, walls, doors, windows, and floors. Revit uses parametric components, so when you modify an element, related views and schedules update automatically throughout the project. As your design develops, switch between floor plans, elevations, sections, and three-dimensional views to review your model from different perspectives. You can also add dimensions, annotations, and schedules to prepare professional construction documentation. Before finishing your project, save your work regularly and use the File menu to export drawings or share the model in the required format for collaboration with your team. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Revit to create and manage building information modeling projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next